Hey, Dad. Guess what? I finally tried that new yoga class.
Nice. Did you become stretchy like a rubber band yet?
More like a pretzel stuck in a box.
Sounds painful. You okay?
I survived barely. The instructor said I looked like a confused flamingo.
A flamingo? Should I be proud or worried?
Worried. Also, I think I pulled something. Or maybe just my dignity.
At least your dignity still texts me.
Touché. Don't worry, no animals were harmed during the class.
Good. Last time you tried something new, you ended up with a bee sting.
That was one time. This time I was prepared, brought my own mat.
Oh, so you're officially a yoga pro now.
More like yoga newbie who can't touch her toes.
Hey, touching toes is overrated. I can't even find mine.
True that. Maybe we should do a yoga dad-daughter challenge.
Challenge accepted. Warning. I'm more dad jokes than downward dog.
Perfect combo. Just don't fall over, your back is older than me.
I've got more balance than your cooking skills.
Low blow. Next thing you'll say is my lasagna tastes like rubber.
Hey, that was one time. I still have nightmares.
Okay, deal. You do yoga, I'll cook lasagna again. We'll both risk it.
You're brave. I like that in a daughter.
Brave or just hungry, mostly hungry.